Today I'm going to show you some really useful life hacks using zip ties. If you've got a whole bundle of messy cables that you want to keep together in a tidy order, lay them all flat and wrap a zip tie loosely around them like this. Next we need to separate each cable by zip tying a tie onto the original zip tie in between each cable. Sounds complicated, but it's really straightforward. It should look like this. Pull them all tight and snip off the excess. And there we have it. Pretty cool, huh? Of course, you can do this at regular intervals all along the cables to keep them all neat and tidy. If you're struggling to get the lid off a jar, you could try taking one of these really big zip ties, wrap it tightly around the lid so that when you pull it in an anti-clockwise direction to undo the top, it gets even tighter. Then give it a go. If the catch on your zip breaks when you're pulling it, you can replace it with a zip tie to get you through an emergency. And if you're going on holiday and haven't got a lock for your bag, you can thread a zip tie through to keep the zips together. This will stop your bag opening if one of the zips gets caught on something. But when you get to your destination, you might need to borrow some scissors to get it off. If you need to hold some cables or pipe along something, but the holes are in the wrong direction for it to be neat, and when you try tightening it up, it just twists it, start by putting a zip tie through and tighten it right up. Cut off the excess, then slide another zip tie underneath. You can now use this one to neatly hold your pipe or cables. It looks neat and tidy and doesn't twist it. And if you like, the first zip tie can be threaded through from behind, so the head is around the other side. You may have seen these zip tie hacks from my drill life hacks video, but if you want to drill a hole to exactly the right depth, you can mark the drill bit with a zip tie, so you know exactly how deep to drill. And if you've got a can of paint which needs to be thoroughly stirred, you can put a pencil into your drill, tighten a zip tie to the end, cut it to roughly the same size as the paint can, and use it to stir your paint. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.